If you've been wondering how to upload a game to itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, so you can get your game online quickly, organize your project properly, and publish it with confidence. Whether you're uploading your first indie game, a jam entry, or a finished project you want to share with the world, this guide will make the process simple and beginner-friendly. And before we get into it, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's start with the first step, which is creating a new project. Go to itch.io and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click the drop-down menu next to your profile icon. From there, select Upload New Project. This is where you'll begin building your game page on itch.io. Next, you'll need to fill out your project details. This part is important because it helps players understand what your game is about. Start by entering your project title clearly and make sure it matches the game you want to publish. Then add a short but useful summary. If you want, you can also write a longer description explaining the genre, gameplay, controls, story, or anything else that makes your game stand out. The more clear and polished this section is, the more professional your page will look. Now move on to the upload section. Scroll down until you find Uploads, then click Upload Files to attach your game file. In most cases, itch.io game uploads are packaged as a .zip file, so make sure your game folder is compressed properly before uploading. After the file finishes uploading, check the box next to the file so it's correctly labeled and ready for distribution. This step helps confirm which file players will download. After that, it's time to add media and extra details. This is where you can make your page more appealing and informative. Add a cover image, screenshots, GIFs, or any visual assets that show off your game. If your game has a trailer, you can include that too. You should also fill in tags, genres, and any other details that help users find your game more easily. A well-presented page can make a big difference in how people respond to your upload. Once everything looks good, scroll all the way down to the Visibility and Access section. Here, you can choose whether your project stays in draft or goes public. If you want to test the page first, keep it on draft so you can preview everything before releasing it. If you're ready for the world to see it, switch it to public. After that, click Save and View Page at the very bottom to finalize your upload. And that's it. Your game is now uploaded to itch.io and ready to share. You've created a project, filled out the details, uploaded your files, added media, and published your game the right way. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.